Hello students, welcome to Learn with RT Sir and TechJU. My name is Rahul Paul. I am a faculty in the field of mathematics. In this particular video, we are going to start chapter 8 Trigonometry of class 10 CBSE, where we are going to discuss exercise 8.2 of NCERT book, and we are going to solve question number 1 in this particular video. So let us get started with the question. Start with the first question. The first question has been put into different fragments. So let us solve one by one. So the first question and first part of that. So what is the question here? So we will move with these questions very quickly because we have already discussed the trigonometric table. So if you have no idea about the trigonometric table, please watch my previous videos. I'll give the links below on the description where you will find the introduction to trigonometry section where I have discussed everything. So to start with this, sine 60, we know that is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is also root 3 by 2. Sine 30 is half. Cos 60 is also half. So we have 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which is equals to 1. So this is the first one. Let us go to the second one. 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. So again we are putting the values. So 2 tan square 45. So tan 45 is 1. So tan square 45 will be square of 1. So square of 1 plus cos square 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So cos square 30 will be square of root 3 by 2. So again minus again sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So cos sin square 60 will be square of root 3 by 2. So now we have, so that will be 2, and here root 3 square minus root 3 square will get cancelled. So the answer to this one will be 2 only. Let us move on to the next one. Okay, so to do this particular problem, what we need to do? So we need to unlock the value. So cos 45, that is 1 by root 2. Sec 30 is 1 by cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So sec 30 will be 2 by root 3. Cosec 30 will be 1 by sin 30. Sin 30 is half. So cosec 30 will be 2. Now we are going to evaluate the values. So it will be 1 by root 2. And here it will be 2 plus root 3 divided by root 3. 2 plus root 3, sorry, 2 plus 2 root 3 divided by root 3. Okay. Now we will have to rationalize this expression because the denominator here is not rationalized. So let us lift this root 3 up and bring this root 2 here. So root 3 goes up and it becomes root 3 divided by, this root 2 comes down and gets multiplied with this particular denominator. So it will be 2 root 2 plus 2 into root 2 into root 3, which will be 2 root 6. Now we are going to rationalize. So to rationalize, we are going to multiply root 3 with 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6, and we are going to do the same with the denominator. Denominator was 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. Now you multiply it with 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. Okay, so now what happens? So here we are getting 2 root 6 minus 2 root 18, and here we are getting 2 root 2 whole square minus 2 root 6 whole square. Why is this? Because let us consider this as the formula of a plus b into a minus b, so automatically we can get 2 root 2 whole square minus 2 root 6 whole square. So now we are going to apply the theorem here. So here we will get 2 root 2 whole square, which is 4 into 2, which is 8, minus 2 root 6 whole square, which is 4 into 6, which is 24. And here we are getting 2 root 6 minus 2 root 18. Now 2 root 6 can be written as 2 root 6 minus 2 root 18 can be written, now see, root over 18 can be written as root over 9 into 2. When the 9 goes out of the root, it becomes 3, then root 2. So it will be 2 into 3 root 2. For the root 18, I have written 3 root 2. Okay. So now what we are doing, the final step of this. So we are going to take 2 as common. So we get root over 6 minus 3 root 2. And here we have 8 minus 24, which is minus 16. So we can cut this with 2, we can make it 8. And since this is a minus, so if I take the minus here, it will be just reversed. So it will be 3 root 2 minus root 6 by 8. Final expression, 3 root 2 minus root 6 by 8. So this is the final expression for this particular question. Now let us go to the next one. So we are going to just put the values here. Have I written the question correctly? Yes, I have. Okay. So sine 30 will be half plus tan 45 will be 1 minus cosec 60. So cosec 60 will be 1 by sine 60. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So cosec 60 will be 2 by root 3. Now sec 30 will be 1 by cos 30. Cos 30 is again root 3 by 2. So sec 30 will be 2 by root 3. Cos 60 will be half plus cot 45 will be 1. Okay. So now we are going to do this problem. So it will be half plus 1, which is 3 by 2 minus 2 by root 3, and here it will be half plus 1, which is 3 by 2 plus 2 by root 3. Now why have I kept it like this? Why haven't I solved it? Because now I know I need to rationalize this one. So in order to rationalize this one, but before that, let me just solve the values. So here 2 root 3 will be the LCM, and here we are getting 3 root 3 minus 4. 3 root 3 minus 4. Again we are having the same LCM, 2 root 3, and it will be 3 root 3 plus 4. So it will be 3 root 3 plus 4. Now we know they have the same LCM, so we can cut it directly. So finally the expression that we are having, that is 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 3 root 3 plus 4. Now to rationalize this one, we have to introduce the counterpart of that, that means 3 root 3 minus 4, and we have to introduce the same on the numerator. So it will be 3 root 3 minus 4 multiplied by the same 3 root 3 minus 4, and here we have 3 root 3 plus 4 we are going to multiply 3 root 3 minus 4. Right? So now what we are going to do, we are going to rationalize this one. So we are going to introduce that formula a square minus b square. So it will be a plus b, a minus b. So it will be 3 root 3 whole square minus 4 whole square. So 3 root 3 whole square minus 4 whole square. And here we are having the same thing, a minus b into a minus b. So it will be a minus b whole square. So we are going to apply a minus b whole square formula. So it will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so let us finish this final step. So it will be 3 root 3 whole square. So what is 3 root 3 whole square? So 3 square is 9 and root 3 square is 3. So 27 minus 16. And here we are getting 27. Okay, 27. Then minus 2 into 4, that is 8. 8 into 3, that is 24. Plus 16. Right? So finally the value that comes, so here it will be 27 minus 16, that will be 11, and here we are getting 27 plus 16, that is 37, 43 minus 24 root 3. So this is the answer to this particular question. Okay. The next one, 5 cos square 60 plus 4 sec square 30 minus 10 square 45. Okay. So again we are going to find the values. So cos 60 is half. So cos square 60 will be 1 by 4. So 5 1 by 4 plus sec 30. Sec 30 is 1 by cos 30. So that will be 2 by root 3 and square of that. So 4 into 2 by root 3 square, that will be 4 by 3 minus 10 square 45, that is 10 45 whole square, that is 1 square, which is 1 only. Now sin square 30, what is sin 30? It is half, so sin square 30 will be 1/4 plus cos square 30, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, so cos square 30 will be 3 by 4. So that will be 5 by 4 plus that will be 16 by 3 minus 1 divided by 1. So the final value, so the LCM will be 12. That will be 15 plus that will be 16 into 4, that is 64 minus 12. So the final value will be 64 plus 15, that is 79 minus 12. So what would be 79 minus 12? So 2, that would be 7, and this will be 6. Yeah, 6, correct. So 67 by 12. So that is the answer to the fifth part of the first question. So with this we complete question number 1. Now what I am thinking is I will complete the video over here. I will go on with the question number 2 on the next video so that the video doesn't get too large and too boring. So on the next video we are again going to talk about question number 2, and with this we will continue the exercise 8.2. So I hope you have understood the questions from here. We will meet you again on the next video. Until then,